And drivers behind the lines, 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
And it is Wildhats first to fire at the speaker for the Blue Alliance, joined by some of their alliance partners. It's like Wildhats firing another while Breaker Bots are at the center of the field, grabbing another note. And Red Alliance, meanwhile, has had all three of its robots leave the starting zone. And now, it is Blue Alliance with the lead as we enter teleop, and they are quickly looking to add to it, with Breaker Bots scoring one note in that Blue Alliance speaker, and Plus Ultra picking up another, and doing just the same. On red, however, we have 6348 coming back with a note from the other side of the field from the human player. Unfortunately, it falls a little bit short of the speaker. It looks like they'll be heading back for another shot. Well, 3008 makes a shot for the red speaker as well. On blue, meanwhile, we see Team 100 dropping off a note in that blue amp. It looks like both of our alliances have hit that cooperation button in time. So, the cooperation bonus, making the ranking point a little easier to achieve, will be in effect. Blue Alliance, meanwhile, has one more note banked in its amp, and Wildhat's coming over to add a second. That means Blue Alliance is ready to amplify. And Breaker Bots scoring one more note, and it looks like going across field, trying to pick up another. On the Red Alliance, meanwhile, looks like Boba Bots out of commission at the moment, but they are underneath that red stage. Their alliance partners, 3008, shooting at the speaker, falling a little bit short, but easily able to pick up those notes and try again. And on the Blue Alliance, meanwhile, we have Wildhats with that note in the speaker adding to their lead. And their alliance partners, Plus Ultra, trying to make the way around the defense of 6348 and line up to score. And with 40 seconds left, Plus Ultra does manage to get that note into place, but their alliance partners, Wildhats, are trying to drop off a note in that blue amp. Red Alliance, meanwhile, 6338, scoring that note in their speaker. And across field, looking to grab another. And with just over 20 seconds left, Blue Alliance trying to hang on to its lead in endgame. Wildhats do get one more note, scored in that amp, and they get a high note scored on the microphone. That means one of those Blue Alliance stage areas will be spotlit. With 8 seconds left, we'll see if Plus Ultra is able to get up in the air. Breaker Bots are already on stage for blue. 3 seconds left. It's like Wildhat's trying to get in the air, and Plus Ultra may have just made it in the nick of time. Winning that match by a score of 58-18. Blue Alliance earning 3 ranking points in total, moving all of its teams up in the rankings.